Hi, today I'm making ham and split pea soup. I have leftover ham, the ham bone. I tend to freeze it. And basically, once we were done with the holiday ham, I was able to put it in the freezer and pull it out to make the soup. And so I begin with that ham bone. I'm going to actually boil that in about 2 quarts of water. I've added one whole onion and I've sliced it. I've used several, maybe 4 cloves of garlic that I've split in half. I've peeled and split in half, and I've added that to the water. And I've seasoned it with just some pepper as well as garlic powder. And then I'm just going to let that cook down. And so while that was cooking in the background, I was doing some housework, that kind of thing, and just let everything sort of, all the drippings boil out or boil down the ham. And then I was able to sort of pull off whatever ham was left, discard the fat and bones, and then just use the broth to make the soup. Next, I'm adding a half a cup of finely chopped carrots, a bag of dried peas, and split peas, I should say. And I've added that to the seasoned broth. And so I've added the carrots and the peas together because they can cook down together. From this point, it's already cooked about an hour, and now it's cooking another hour, maybe hour and a half. And so this is a make ahead weekend recipe. But once it's done, you can serve the soup. It freezes well, and it's a great use of a holiday leftover.